We will look at a few Azure components in this course. If you wanted to follow along with those, you would have to have an Azure subscription. You can create an Azure subscription for free if you simply go to azure.microsoft.com. There is an option to try Azure for free. That will allow you to create a trial account in Azure. Now, the trial account runs for 12 months, but many of the services are only valid for 30 days. We will look at Azure Active Directory. We will look at Azure Virtual Machine, so we can run virtual machines in the cloud itself, and a few other things in Azure. Those will only work for 30 days with a trial account. Now, you do not really need one of those accounts. I will demonstrate all of those things for you. But if you do want to know more about Azure, you can simply create your own Azure account, and you could follow along or just explore other services in Azure itself just by visiting azure.microsoft.com and setting up your account.